Welcome back to Working Brothers. Today it's working father and son. This is my boy. His name is Acre. How old are you?
2.
2. Yep. He's 2. And for Christmas, we got him the Build and Grow monster truck from Lowe's. He's been bugging me all day to put it together. And so we're going to put it together and build it together.
And
Hopefully he'll do as much as he can.
And jump.
And jump. We're going to jump too. Go drive it.
This is my monster truck.
Good job.
Push it and then crash. Here we go. Okay, Dad, I put the stickers on the wheel and the 2 wheels, the drive and the crash and the fix it together and the broken. Did you watching about the monster truck?
Yeah.
Fire on that.
Well, it's Christmas night. I'm gonna go wrap this up and hopefully get this video posted tonight so it's not late. Because I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. It's late. This will probably get viewed mostly after tonight since I'm posting it so late and we are over on the west side of the United States. But we had a good Christmas and yeah, you had a good Christmas?
Yep.
Say, I had a good Christmas.
Go Christmas.
Yeah. So thanks for watching Working Brothers or Working Father and Son in this instance. And joining us to build a little monster truck that we got.
And maybe.
I think I'm right in the middle of like probably 5 or 6 projects right now. All of them halfway filmed. Some of them need to be edited and posted. It's a lot of work, but anyway, so I'm hopefully going to be getting those up soon. But one thing that we're going to do is I think we're going to kind of, me and Brandon are going to sit down and talk about our 2018, what our goals were, what we accomplished, and then our goals for 2019. And so just look for that video. I don't know how many people will watch it, but I don't know. It should be interesting. Kind of talk about the future of our channel that we hope to have, and just kind of do a little sit and talk. And anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good night. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.